What's up, guys? Welcome back. Happy Tuesday to you. Hope you had a good time in the market. Today we had our Rocket debit spreads for Rocket earnings, and wasn't quite what we were hoping. They beat on, it says right here, they beat on the EPS. No, on GAAP EPS when it beats by 12 cents. GAAP EPS 54 cents, missed by 59 cents. So not a great earnings. So that play is gonna be dead for us. We might make some. Yeah, it was up. It's all messed up right now, but or no, those are our shares. Never mind. Yeah. Anyways, it's not gonna rocket up to $28 a share tomorrow, I don't think. We do have these debit spreads though. These were up a little bit today. And they're actually up now after hours. But Rocket after hours kind of just sitting around, bouncing around. So I don't know. It's too early to tell. It might just be kind of a flat tomorrow on Rocket. Might not have a huge gap. Today in the market, in our long-term account, we did pretty well. Actually, I'm happy we stayed pretty flat with how much everything was green yesterday. Sometimes you have a big red day after that, and there's a little bit red, kind of all over the place. I did open up a credit spread, and that's affecting things. Corsair debit spread. This, yeah, we'll see about this. I think the earnings on Corsair. That's not today. Oh, is that today? I think it's tomorrow morning. Oh, okay, yeah, it was today. This is plus 6% after they beat, but I didn't see that. Oh, I guess that just happened today. My bad, that happened this morning. So this play didn't go crazy though. It only went up a little bit. So we'll see. We've got some time on that one. What else did we do? Our covered calls gained value since American Airlines went down. Same with the Solo. Solo went down today too. Abivai though, man, wow. This thing is, we got it at a good time. I think we bought in 86 bucks was right around here. Yeah, that was an awesome price to buy in. It's just been on a tear since like what, 15 days ago or so. So that's pretty nice. Got a pretty good divvy. Actually, you can see it on here, I think. Yeah, there you go. So, ex-dividend date. Excuse me, I bought 16 shares before ex-dividend date. Now we own 31. So, dividend is $18 for the 16 shares. So it would have been close to 35 or so if I had all 31 shares before then, but I didn't. It went up, and then I was like, I'll buy some more. IRM staying kind of flat. AT&T did well today. Yeah, it's still kind of, I think we're kind of rotating over to pre-COVID stocks. We'll see if that continues on with that vaccine news from Pfizer. I'm not too sure. CNK actually kept kind of going today. What went down today? Tesla dropped down today. The Solos went down today. But if you look at my watch list, pre-COVID stuff did pretty well. Kind of held up. So like, look at CNK, it had that crazy run of 50% yesterday, and now today it's only come down 1%. So it's kind of just setting up a bull flag, I'd say. I think EMC, yeah, they kind of came down a little bit. We'll see on that one. I got a Disney call. Disney's kind of straddles between both of them since they have the streaming and everything. So they're good pre-COVID because the parks, and then and you know, merchandise and all that stuff. But then they also have, you know, they have a lot of share in streaming, Disney Plus, and them announcing that they're going to go put a lot more effort into the streaming. That now they're kind of, you know, post-COVID, so they've got it kind of both ways. If you look at pre-COVID right here, it dropped, but with all their streaming, other things holding it up, it's done well. And then of course it rallied a bunch yesterday on that market, but this looks like a bull flag to me. And I picked up this play See, since I didn't see it really going down much with the SPY today, it kind of just set this up and started trending up. I got 2 calls for 160 on the 4th of December. So 160 is pretty far out of the money. I'll probably sell those before at some point, but we'll see. This looks like a bull flag, and it did come up, as you can see. We're up. Oh, you can't see that. Oh no. It did come up. We're up 32% on it, so that's nice. Always nice when you buy a play and it just goes up right away. Let's just start going down. So we got that at 12.21. Was right here. Yep, right here. Broke a new high. Well, it's kind of just stepped up, I guess. Higher lows, higher highs, and then yeah, actually, end of the day, it just kind of kept going up. So that hopefully will work out. Uber, I got an Uber call. These are the same calls I had before. This one is up 200%. If you watched yesterday's video, we were up at one point. We're up like 1200% on this thing. Let me show you the details on here. So I bought 10, the 4th, and this is what here. So I had this big run up. I can't remember why. Bull flag. Oh, proposition 22. Then it was kind of consolidated. I bought them here. Little bounce here. Went up crazy. Went up crazy. And now it's kind of melting down a little bit. So didn't want to sell out too much, but yeah. So basically yesterday I sold out 3 for 35 cents each, and then a 4th one for 35 cents. And then today they lost a lot of premium. I sold 3 for 12 cents. I just kind of wanted to lock in some of the profits on there. I wasn't sure. Like, I actually think it's going to keep going up, so that's why I didn't sell these last 3. It might be slower though, so it won't have the same volatility, and then the premium will kind of get crushed. So, but that's my thesis on that Uber call. I did sell out of a lot of other stuff today though. We've got Beyond. I sold 3 of these, and I maybe shouldn't have. I just was like I was up so much on it, and then it just started to come down. This is kind of a bear flag though. Beyond moves crazy though. Yeah, I got scared up here. I think I sold it like right up here after it crossed the moving average, and after it crossed the new high of the day, and then after it also crossed the after hours high. At that point I was like, all right, I'm selling out. It sold back off, and now looking like it might keep going down, but I'm not sure. It's so over well, it was so oversold. Now it's looking pretty flat. But yeah, I sold out of those. I didn't make what I could have yesterday, but I did all right. And then let's see, Disney bought that. Uber, yeah, I sold some of those. Car, had that car call, and yeah, car's kind of sure about car. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna start going down for a bit. So I sold car. I had profit on all these actually. Sold car. Oh yeah, CCL call too. You remember yesterday, these all had crazy value. Actually, they didn't lose a whole lot today for selling off so much. Still made money on CCL, but this to me is a kind of a bear flag. So I think this, yeah, I could have actually maybe opened up a call credit spread on this. Sold the CCL. Can't remember the gains on it, but did all right. Sold the calls on DraftKings also. DraftKings looks like it's going to be trending down for a little bit. This one, I still have 44 shares at $44 too. And then what's left on here, we've got Pins put, Roku put. None of those have much value though. And yeah, that's the Webull account. Then E-Trade today, I opened up a Snap put. Oh, look at that. It's actually up after hours. I saw Snap and I kind of wanted to follow the direction of the SPY, and I think it's going to be kind of bearish. So today was kind of consolidation, but I think we'll kind of be bearish the next few days at least. Look on the daily on the RSI, we're at 62. It looks like it's been in this range. Kind of a high, here's a low, here's a high, here's a low. I'm assuming this was the high, and I think we'll come back down somewhere. I mean, this just shot up so quickly too, but I think we'll kind of come back down to maybe a higher low, maybe like here, 329 or so. But I might be too. Anyways, I think SPY's gonna be coming down, so I was trying to find a couple puts, and I got some on Snap. So this is a bear flag in my opinion. Snap on the daily is still it's at 55 on the RSI, but it still has a lot of ways to come down. It shot up so much. So I got 3 Snap puts for November 27th at 31.50. So I kind of sniped the chain a little bit on this one. I just haven't learned how to see it very well on E-Trade, but on Webull, 31.50 November 27th. When I bought it, this one down here, let's see which one. Yeah, this one was last price was 17 on it, and then these didn't really have any volume, so I picked this one up for, I can't even remember, maybe 17 also. No, 31.50 right here. So I got some of these, and we'll see. The ones around it, I mean, this is, yeah, that's 18. The chain it's not much volume for liquidity down here, so I was trying to just find one that was a good price, and seeing that this one down here went for 17, I was able to get it close to that price of 17 at 31.5, just closer to the money, which is good. Let me see if I can see what 19. So yeah, that's the price I paid right there, 19. This one went for 18. Those buggers. Anyways, it shows it's up on my account, probably just because there's a spread there or something. But that was it for today. This credit spread I opened, ooh, after hours, ouch. That RKT, you can talk about RKT. Yeah, RKT kind of not doing good. We'll see on that. That's probably what this after hours is, the shares and the debit spreads. My credit spread on SPY, average cost was 30, which about right for Robinhood, because it wouldn't execute here. And it's pretty aggressive though, because it's for 356, is right here, this blue line. So yeah, basically I'm thinking it's gonna be bearish tomorrow, but I might have to roll this over or just close it for a loss or something. We'll see. But yep, that's pretty much my setup for tomorrow. Kind of bearish on that, and then yeah, probably get out of this. Redfin's worthless. This Rocket, I don't know. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow. What's nice about the debit spreads is it doesn't cost much. This only costs $109 to have 7 of these, so that's pretty awesome. And then I have another account on Robinhood that I am strictly doing the wheel strategy with. Just selling puts, cash secured puts, and then if we get exercise, selling covered calls. And I'm gonna be starting to upload videos on that channel, or on this channel, with a different playlist of that account, just to kind of show how the wheel works, and just kind of see what kind of growth we can get just doing the wheel. So not holding any shares unless we get exercised, of course, and kind of just picking certain stocks, somewhat safe stocks we wouldn't mind owning, but also ones that have enough volatility and premium to make it worth it to sell premium. A good example of ones that aren't good for this, but you can still do it, it's just a lot slower money, is like T. T doesn't move much, so to sell a put on T, firing this Friday, like say $27 strike price, it's 2 cents. So you take that compared to, because that's what, it's 28.82. I don't know why AMD, but let's look at MD. This is one I would like to own, but it's a lot more volatile. So if you go down here, that's given is a lot more expensive of a stock, but You can see the strike difference. We do another one here as a closer comparison. Space, which I like. Look at these. This is twice as much. It's further out the money. So kind of finding a balance between stocks you'd like to own as well as enough volatility to make it worthwhile to do it on. But yeah, I'll upload another video on that. Probably, I don't know. If I make any moves on it, I'll upload a video. So probably like 2 or 3 times a week, but they'll be short little videos. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification. If news comes out, we usually drop a video within a few minutes of news, and sometimes it leads to, you know, you're able to still make plays and position yourself for that news. And that's happened more than once, so that's beneficial if you get notified. Rocket Company's revenue up 100. What is this saying? Beating a sense estimate. Where is this? There's a area growth. That all sounds very bullish, but it's not doing much here. And revenue's up 163, but the EPS isn't. I don't know. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to sub up, like up, comment down. Make your money happy money so it'll stick around. We'll see you tomorrow.